Let's find out today how we can easily change the background of our live stream. First, search for Castingo and install it on your mobile phone. Once you're all set, launch the app and click Create Plan. Then, you'll see 3 button on the right corner. Under General, it allows you to add additional photos or videos to your stream. You can also place it anywhere on your stream. Under Portrait Layer, it allows you to change the position of your camera. Turn on mirroring, chroma key, and even adjust the chroma key level. There are also a lot of filters you can switch to. For background layer, you can choose which background you like for your video. You can also use the preset backgrounds by going to the BG library or upload your own background. Then, click Next and choose between recording mode and streaming mode. Under streaming mode, you'll need to select the platform, resolution, stream URL, stream key, and just click Start Streaming. Recording mode is much easier, just click Start Streaming. Enjoy using Castingo and start streaming.